Today in this video we will see how to enable fingerprint in WhatsApp. Very easy and simple trick. Method how to enable: click on three dot, go to setting, click on account, type on privacy, scroll down. Here you can see fingerprint lock. Click on fingerprint lock. This is option offline. Just on this option and put your finger. Click on after 1 minute. Just off. Go back and off all application. Just open and you can see easily enable fingerprint in WhatsApp. To off this fingerprint, go to setting, click account privacy, click on fingerprint, and you can easily off your fingerprint lock. If you like this video, share it with your friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.